Vietnam is a culinary wonderland, a place where food is not just sustenance, but an art form that tells a story of culture and history. As you explore this remarkable country, you'll find that food is an integral part of the experience, offering a window into the soul of Vietnam. There are three traditional Vietnamese foods that ZAZEN Travel suggests no visitor should miss. They are pho, Vietnamese beef noodle soup, goi quan, Vietnamese fresh spring rolls, bo la lat, beef wrapped in betel leaves. First, there's the iconic pho, a fragrant beef noodle soup that's a national treasure. Simmered for hours to develop a rich, complex broth, pho is the ultimate comfort food, bursting with the essence of Vietnam. Next, we have goi quan, the fresh and vibrant Vietnamese spring rolls. Wrapped in delicate rice paper, these rolls are a symphony of flavors: crisp vegetables, succulent proteins, and aromatic herbs. And finally, bo la lat, beef tenderly wrapped in betel leaves and grilled to perfection. The unique blend of spices and the earthy richness of the leaves create a truly unforgettable dish. If you want to truly immerse yourself in the art of Vietnamese cuisine, join ZAZEN Travel's cooking class tour. This unique experience offers you the opportunity to dive deep into the culinary traditions of Vietnam, a country known for its vibrant and flavorful dishes. You'll explore the diverse flavors that make Vietnamese food so special. Led by the renowned chefs of Alma Resort Cam Ranh, where there is the best beach, and Alma Resort, the #1 best resort in Southeast Asia and the #9 best resort in the world. You'll have the chance to learn the secrets behind these beloved dishes. The expert chef will guide you through each step, from selecting the ingredients to mastering the intricate techniques that bring out the best in Vietnamese cuisine. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a complete beginner, you'll find the classes both informative and enjoyable. It will be a fantastic feeling for you to have a chance to learn these popular traditional Vietnamese food with 5-star chefs in an amazing restaurant at Alma Resort Cam Ranh with a stunning sea view.